ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri Ketenaga Puli Putih ke Sorkar Jelau Rakkam ek sama hak santarik no pra arja pulai. Ula simenta hak jing kendu lang jong Nonghikai Upper Primary School Teachers Association kabala tip kum ke special annual conference. Yakni ke jing lang lapenya hamadan khwang umulong. Kabalong ru simenta ke jing tap live post nam ke jing ilenti jong ke mupsta kabala rakhi halor ke phang be a leader, be the difference, be the light, be a teacher. Nalor Menteri Ketenaga Puli Putih lai don lang ru ke MLA Sutengah Saipung ke Kong Santa Mary Shela advisor Ketenaga Puli Putih uba HM Shangpliang u MDC ke Jowai North u Bright Star Cermang bat kiwe hakani ke ski lapun ko buram ru yang Nonghikai bat pun snguru yang history jong keseng bat IT ru yang dorkas ha Menteri Ketenaga Puli Putih nalor kata la pelai ru yang ke kot sa anam ne ke souvenir. Lapan pu bin piang yang ni ke jing kendu lang de ke jing roi jing shat bala simbenta de Nonghikai hak jing don lang Nonghikai na kelang distrik ke Jela hak jing kran Menteri Ketenaga Puli Putih Rakkam e sangma ulayaro e Nonghikai ke bal ai ke jing sakri ke balai pusnam ula kran ru halor ke kamram jong Nonghikai ban sandur ya kalawe jong ki khna bat ula Kular bandan kat hakinu ke jing dan kam ke jongki.
There are many challenges we have. I don't know, it can count also, right? The adult, the non, the deficit, the non-government, the so-called non-government, the government, all the categories of the schools that we have. We have challenges, disparity of the salary, school run, like, it is very difficult to, like, there are many colleges. There are many colleges and schools that government support. But their asset and the land and the building doesn't belong to the government. There are many schools run by the churches and the private institutions, completely private. There are many schools being run by the churches and missionary and some agencies. But we are supporting to all these schools. The appointment of the adult teachers are being appointed by the managing committee, the school owner, so to say. There is going on whether this adult teacher is a government teacher or not. Somebody says any teachers who draw the salary from the government, it's amount to be a government teacher. But in the court of law, it's very difficult to debate. Whether the government, they are drawing the salary from the government. But the asset, the administration, is not with the hands of the government. There are many challenges. Therefore, knowing about the challenges, it is difficult to point it out if we address the issue of the adult teacher association, there is another teacher association called non-government teacher association. There is a deficit teacher association, government teacher association. There are many associations, right? Therefore, to understand more, the government has set up for the first time to do the in-depth study. To do the in-depth study about the issues and the problem and to give us the recommendation. Government has set up the State Education Commission. They are on the process. We are waiting for the recommendations of the State Education Commission that include your problem too. I think today I won't make any commitment, any assurance. But we are waiting for the recommendation of the Education Commission. What kind of suggestion, what kind of recommendation they will be giving to the government. We will study, we will discuss, and we will decide. Being the better systematic recommendation, we have constitute this commission. Commission consists of experts of the different fields especially the educationists of the within the state, who are well acquainted with the problems and with the issues. But however, I want to assure you that we are part of the family, and I wish, as our honorable advisor has already stated, when we see our teachers on the street, it does not sound good. It does not sound good. Yes, there is a problem. There will be a problem, but there is always a way forward. Therefore, may I would like to assure you today, whatever the possible that we can, government is trying and will try our best to address the problems of the teacher. Even if that has been done in the past, and is being doing, and will be doing in the days to come too.